Welcome to our lesson on school subjects. Today, we will learn about different subjects you study in school. I like to solve math problems. Repeat after me. I like math. I enjoy conducting science experiments. Repeat. I like science. Learning about the past is interesting. Repeat. I like history. Reading books in English is fun. Repeat. I like English. Studying maps helps me learn about the world. Repeat. I like geography. Painting and drawing are creative activities. Repeat. I like art. Playing instruments makes me happy. Repeat. I like music. I like playing sports and being active. Repeat. I like PE. Coding on the computer is exciting. Repeat. I like computer science. Great job, everyone. Thank you for learning with us today.